Hello everyone, Siddharth this side, and today we will be solving another question which is subarray with zero sum. So what we have given in this problem is that we have given an array and we have to find is there any subarray present in our array whose sum equals to 0. So the first approach to solve this problem will going to be the brute force method, in which what we will do, we will initialize two loops and a current sum variable, and we'll start traversing into our array, and we will check if this current sum is equals to 0, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. This is the basic approach, and it can be its intuition can be generated very easily, but this we don't want, as it will take omega of n square of time complexity. We want to solve this question in linear traversal, but it will take some memory as well. So let's start solving this question. So suppose we have given this array in the first example, this 42 minus 316. So what we will do, what will be the concept is that as we start traversing into the array, so if there is any subarray present in our array whose sum is 0, then its sum get vanished. Like after adding this 4 to our current sum variable, we will move forward. So now it will become 6 after adding 3 to it. So 4 plus 2. In the first step, current sum becomes 4. In the next step, sum becomes 6. And in the next step, we will add minus 3. So sum will become 3. And now we will add 1 to it. So plus 1, it equals to 4. So you can clearly see that this sum got vanished, and this is the concept we will going to use. We will, and from this you can generate intuition also, like we have to use hash map. We will store current sum with its index, and as soon as we traverse whole subarray whose sum is 0, its sum get vanished, then we will get our previous sum, and in this way we will able to know that there is a subarray present in our array whose sum is equals to 0. So let's start coding this question. So first we will create an hash map. So hash map teaser comma integer hm is equals to new hash map. Now what we will do, we will initialize in current sum to 0. Now we will start traversing into the array. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n I plus plus plus. Now what we have to do, we have to check if current sum is equals to 0, because if current sum becomes 0, if the current sum in moving forward will become 0, so there is subarray present, so we will return true in this case as well. Or if our map already contains our current sum, in this case this will going to be 4 while encountering this subarray whose sum is 0. So in both of these cases, we have to return true. So return true. Now otherwise what we will do, after returning true, we will have to put the current sum and with it index. So hm dot put current sum comma I. Now after this we have to return false, like if we haven't encountered any of the subarray. So we can now understand that there is no subarray present in our array whose sum equals to 0. So we will return false in this case. So code is looking fine. We have created a hash map, then we have initialized and current sum variable, and we will start traversing into the array, and we will check if this current sum equals to 0 or our hash map already contain this sum, and after that we will return true if these conditions get satisfied. Otherwise we will put the current sum and index into our hash map. So let's try to run this code. Okay, so let's try to submit this. So where's the problem coming? So we have started. Okay, well, we just forget to add our current sum. Current sum is equals to plus value at ith index. We just forgot the basic step. Let's try to run this again. Current sum is equals to plus array I. Now what is the, so where is the problem coming is that, okay, so we have shifted this plus here. We should have to do this way. So let's try to run this again. So accepted. Now let's try to submit this. So all the test case have been processed almost. Okay, so thank you, see you in the next video.